Hello, everyone. Welcome to English Ignited. I'm Adam.
And I'm Sarah.
Today, we're going to a restaurant.
Oh, I love restaurants, but sometimes I don't know what to say.
That's okay, Sarah. Today, we will learn together. It's very simple.
Great.
So, imagine this. You open the door, you walk inside the restaurant.
Okay.
A person comes to you. This person works there. We call this person a waiter or a waitress.
Waiter. Okay, I see.
Good. And the waiter says, "Hello, welcome."
Oh, that's nice.
Yes. And then the waiter asks you a question. Listen carefully. How many people?
How many people?
Yes. The waiter wants to know, are you alone? Are you with friends? How many?
Ah, I understand now.
Perfect. So if you are with one friend, you say, two people.
2 people. Easy.
Exactly. Or you can say, a table for two, please.
A table for 2, please.
Very good, Sarah. Let's practice this sentence together. It's very useful. Listener, please repeat with us. A table for two, please.
A table for 2, please.
One more time. A table for two, please.
I like that sentence.
Me too. Now, sometimes the waiter asks another question.
What question?
The waiter says, inside or outside?
Inside or outside?
Yes. This means, do you want to sit inside the restaurant or outside?
Oh, like near the window or, in the garden?
Exactly. Some restaurants have tables outside. It's nice when the weather's good.
I love sitting outside.
Me too. So you can say, outside, please.
Outside, please. Simple.
Yes, very simple. Or if it's cold, you say, inside, please.
Inside, please.
Perfect. Now, one more thing. Sometimes you make a reservation.
Reservation. What's that?
Good question. A reservation means you call the restaurant before. You say, I want a table tomorrow at 7 o'clock.
Ah, like booking.
Yes, exactly like booking. So, when you arrive, the waiter might ask, do you have a reservation?
And if I don't have one?
You just say, no, I don't.
No, I don't. Okay.
And usually that's fine. The waiter will find a table for you.
Great.
So, we arrive, we say how many people, we choose inside or outside,
Yes.
and then the waiter says, follow me, please, and you walk to your table.
Follow me, please.
Good. And when you sit down, the waiter gives you something very important.
What is it?
The menu.
Oh, the menu. That's the food list, right?
Exactly. The menu shows all the food and drinks. And speaking of that, let's look at the menu together now.
Okay. I'm excited.
So, Sarah, you have the menu in your hands now.
Yes. But there are so many words.
I know. Menus can look difficult, but don't worry. You don't need to read everything.
Really?
Really. Just look for the food you like. Most menus have sections.
Sections?
Yes. For example, drinks, salads, main meals, desserts.
Oh, I see. So, I look at the drinks first?
Exactly. The waiter usually comes and asks, what would you like to drink?
What would you like to drink?
Yes, and you can say something simple like, water, please.
Water, please. That's easy.
Or you can say, orange juice, please.
Orange juice, please.
Very good. Now, let's say you want water, but you're not sure. You can ask, do you have sparkling water?
Sparkling water?
Yes. Sparkling means, water with bubbles.
Bubbles. I like that.
Me too. So, do you have sparkling water? That's a useful question.
Do you have sparkling water?
Perfect. And the waiter says, yes, we do, or no, sorry.
Okay, I understand.
Good. Now, after drinks, the waiter gives you time, maybe 5 minutes, 10 minutes. You read the menu.
And then?
Then the waiter comes back and asks, are you ready to order?
Are you ready to order?
Yes, and if you are ready, you say, yes, please.
Yes, please.
But Sarah, what if you're not ready?
Oh, what do I say?
You can say, not yet, 2 more minutes, please.
Not yet. 2 more minutes, please.
Exactly, very polite. And the waiter will come back later.
That's nice.
Yes. Now, let's say you are ready. You choose your food.
Okay, I like chicken.
Great. So you say, I would like the chicken, please.
I would like the chicken, please.
Perfect sentence. Let's practice this one together. This is very important. Listener, please repeat with us. I would like the chicken, please.
I would like the chicken, please.
One more time. I would like the chicken, please.
I feel confident now.
Good. Now, sometimes the chicken comes with something. Maybe rice, maybe potatoes.
Oh, so I can say, I would like the chicken with rice, please.
Exactly. You're learning fast, Sarah.
Thank you.
Now, what if you don't eat meat? What if you're vegetarian?
Vegetarian.
Yes, vegetarian means you don't eat meat. Only vegetables, rice, pasta, salad.
Ah, I understand. So, I can ask, do you have vegetarian food?
Perfect. Yes. Do you have vegetarian food? Or you can say, do you have vegetarian options?
Options. That means choices, right?
Exactly. You're doing great.
Thank you. But what if I don't understand a word on the menu?
Very good question. You can point at the word and ask, what is this?
What is this?
Yes. Or you can ask, what's in this dish?
What's in this dish?
Good. And the waiter will explain. Maybe the waiter says, it has tomatoes, cheese, and pasta.
Oh, that helps a lot.
Yes. Don't be afraid to ask questions. Waiters are there to help you.
Okay, I feel better now.
Wonderful. So you order your food, the waiter writes it down, and then the waiter says, your food will be ready soon.
Your food will be ready soon.
Yes, and you wait. Maybe 10 or 15 minutes.
And then we eat.
Yes, but before we eat, sometimes we need to ask the waiter something, or maybe we want to pay. So let's talk about that now.
Okay, what do we say?
So, Sarah, your food arrives. It looks delicious.
Yes, I'm hungry.
Me too. But sometimes we need something.
Like what?
Maybe you need a fork, or a napkin, or more water.
Oh, I see. So, how do I ask?
Very simple. You say, excuse me, can I have a fork, please?
Excuse me, can I have a fork, please?
Perfect. Or, can I have more water, please?
Can I have more water, please?
Exactly. That phrase is very useful. Can I have?
Can I have? And then I say what I need.
Yes. Good job. Now, sometimes the food is very hot.
Hot?
Yes, like soup. Very hot temperature. You can wait a little bit.
Okay. Or, what if the food is cold? Like it should be hot, but it's cold.
Good question. You can say, politely, excuse me, this is cold. Can you warm it up, please?
Warm it up?
Yes, warm it up means make it hot again.
Ah, I understand. Excuse me, this is cold. Can you warm it up, please?
Very good. Now, most of the time, the food is good. You eat, you enjoy.
Yes, I love eating.
Me too. And when you finish, the waiter might come and ask, how was everything?
How was everything?
Yes, this means, did you like the food?
So I can say it was delicious.
Perfect. It was delicious. Or you can say, very good, thank you.
Very good, thank you.
Exactly. Now, after you finish eating, you need to pay.
Yes. But how do I ask for the bill?
The bill is the paper with the price. In American English, we also call it the check.
Bill or check? Okay.
Yes. So, you say, "Can I have the bill, please?"
Can I have the bill, please?
Perfect. Let's practice this important sentence. Listener, repeat with us. Can I have the bill, please? Can I have the bill, please? One more time. Can I have the bill, please?
That's a good sentence.
Yes, very useful. Now, the waiter brings the bill to your table.
Okay, and then I look at the price.
Yes, you check the total. The total is the final price.
The total. I see.
Good. Now, you can pay with cash or with a credit card.
Cash is, money, right? Like paper money?
Exactly. Paper money and coins. That's cash.
And credit card is the plastic card.
Yes, perfect. So, if you want to pay by card, you can say, "Can I pay by card?"
Can I pay by card?
Very good. And the waiter says, "Yes, of course."
Okay, that's easy.
Now, one more thing. In some countries, people leave a tip.
Tip?
Yes, a tip is extra money. You give it to the waiter to say thank you for good service.
Oh, like a gift.
Yes, kind of. In the United States, tips are very common, usually 10 to 20%.
10 to 20%. That's math.
Yes, but don't worry. You can ask, "How much should I tip?"
How much should I tip?
Yes, or many people just leave some extra cash on the table.
Okay, I understand now.
Good. Now, after you pay, you stand up and you can say to the waiter, "Thank you very much."
Thank you very much.
Or, "The food was great. Thank you."
The food was great. Thank you.
Perfect, Sarah. You did so well today.
Thank you, Adam. I feel ready to go to a restaurant now.
I'm sure you are. And listeners, remember, don't be afraid to speak. Restaurant staff are kind. They want to help.
Yes, and even if you make a mistake, it's okay.
Exactly. Mistakes help us learn. So practice these sentences. Use them next time you go to a restaurant.
And have fun.
Yes, eating out is a wonderful experience. You get good food and you practice English.
Perfect.
Thank you for listening to English Ignited today. I'm Adam.
And I'm Sarah. See you next time.
Goodbye, everyone.
Bye-bye.